The Tecno Spark 8C. The latest Spark from Tecno comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD 720p display clocked at 90Hz refresh rate, a 5000 mAh battery, up to 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage for the price of 59,500 naira. Hey, what is up guys, Tayo here. The Tecno Spark 8C is the budget offering of the Tecno Spark 8 lineup. Well, who is it for? Who should get it? Should you get it or not? All these questions will be answered in this video right after you click on that like button so more people can benefit from the content being shared in this video. And yeah, click on that subscribe button as well, since we're on the way to 600 subscribers and a sub from you will be really cool. With that being said, let's jump right into this video. The Tecno Spark 8 is made out of plastic. Obviously, that's what you'd expect from an entry-level device like this, but that means it is durable, and if it drops, well, it is more durable than a glass device. But I'll still advise you to get a screen protector, since this device doesn't have any form of Corning Gorilla Glass certification. So get a screen protector, or else when the device falls down and the screen breaks, you'll just be making silly excuses. It comes in a variety of colors, which includes turquoise cyan, magnet black, iris purple, and diamond gray. Let me know your favorite color of this device in the comment section right below that like button. The display of the Tecno Spark 8C is just what you'd expect from an entry-level device like this. It maxes out at 720p resolution, which is just fine for content consumption. I was even surprised that it has 90Hz refresh rate, which is so rare to see on devices at this price bracket. So kudos to the guys over at Tecno for adding this to this device. We get Android 11 Go edition on this device with HIO 7.16 on top of it. Now, as this is an entry-level device, the Android Go edition makes the device run faster, and it is advisable to run lighter version of apps on this kind of devices. Now, don't expect any software updates from this device because it's a Go edition of Android, and even Tecno doesn't even bring software updates to their more better devices, so you shouldn't even expect an update on this device, but you might get the occasional security updates. If 64GB of storage isn't enough for you on this device, well, you can expand it using a memory card, and you can even expand the RAM as well, since this device supports what's called memory fusion from Tecno, which adds an additional 3GB of RAM from your storage to this device, so you get 6GB in total if you get the 3GB variant of this device. It's crazy to see Tecno add this feature to their more budget offering, but don't expect to play heavy titles on this device. Moving on to the cameras, we get a dual camera setup consisting of a 30MP main camera and a 0.3MP key GVA camera capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the same for the 8MP selfie camera. Powering the Tecno Spark 8C is a 5000 mAh battery that should get you through the day, and when it finally dies, well, you can juice it up using the 10W charger included in the box. At the end of the day, should you get this device? Who is this device for? Well, this device is for people who need a backup device for making calls and stuff like that, or your grandparents, or you can give it to your little child, or for people who just need a device that works and is not too expensive. Although take note that the 2GB of RAM variant will cost you 59,500 naira, and the 3GB of RAM variant will cost you around 66,000 naira. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section right below that like button, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.